Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're talking about how you can store your DVS culture. This is one thing that a lot of people struggle with. One thing is buying the culture, buying the starter, and then another thing is knowing how to store it. Now this particular starter culture is very big, not like your regular small original Yogume or Yogume Pro Bio. This one is actually big. Now this particular starter can actually make, some of them can make up to 500 liters of yogurt. Some of them can make up to 100 liters of yogurt, more than 100 liters of yogurt actually. A very little amount of this culture goes a long way. Now, for some of you who don't know what a starter culture is, this is what actually activates your yogurt. This is what helps to activate milk and turning it into yogurt. Now, this particular one is actually for commercial purpose, like people who make commercial yogurt. You may not want to spend so much money to buy the small starter every time. So when you buy one of these, it serves you, because like I said, this one you're seeing here, some of them can make up to, so sorry guys about the background noise, some of these can make up to 500 liters of yogurt. Now if you buy the other small starter, the Yogume Original or Yogume Pro Bio, you will spend more. Okay, you will spend more. So people actually buy this, people who are into large production, they actually buy this because it helps them save cost. Now the challenge a lot of persons have is on how to store it, how to keep it, because you're not going to use all at once. So how do you store it? Now all you need to do, storing this is very simple. Okay, all you need to do is get a jar that has a lid, something that has a cover. Okay, so you want to wrap this particular culture, just take out the one you want to use at a time and then you wrap it up very well. After wrapping it up, like use something to tie it. Okay, after that, like putting it in a nylon, something like that. After that, you want to put it in a jar that has cover. When you put it there, you cover it tightly and then you put it in your fridge. Do not forget that you need to cover it tightly and then you store it in your fridge. Do not just store it in your fridge like that without having to put it inside a jar. I'm going to put the picture of the kind of jar I'm talking about, something that has a lid, something that has a cover. So you put it inside and then you cover it tightly. So anytime you want to use it, you can just bring it out of your fridge and then you use it. That way it will stay preserved, it will stay fine, and you use it for as long as you want to. Okay, do not just leave it on your counter, do not just leave it like that. Please put it in a jar, like I said, and put it in your fridge. And do not put it in your fridge directly, put it inside something, cover it tightly, and then you store it in your fridge. So guys, that is it on how to store your DVS culture. Not just DVS culture, any kind of culture, like anyone that you have opened. Okay, if you have opened it, you have to store it that way. Now if you haven't opened it, you don't really have challenge on how to store it, but once you have opened it, that is how to save it, how to preserve it. And if you're into yogurt production, you do large like you produce more than maybe 10 liters and above at each production, you may want to consider using this because it saves money, it helps saves money. It's not just this, like this particular one on the screen, you can use it, or you can use any other DVS culture. If you go to where they sell, you will see a lot of them. Okay, so using these commercial cultures will actually help you to save cost and make more profit. So guys, that is it about this video. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video.